Hello, today we will guide you through how to replay on Sierra Chart. Replay is a powerful way to study price action, review trade ideas, and practice execution in a controlled environment. It lets you watch historical market movement unfold as if it were happening live, without affecting your live data or orders. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on opening the replay feature quickly and confidently so you know exactly where it lives and what to expect when it appears. Start by opening the Sierra Chart desktop application on your computer. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and data. If a chart book is already open, you'll typically see one or more charts arranged within the main window. The chart you intend to replay should be visibly active, which usually means its title bar is highlighted. Next, direct your attention to the top of the Sierra Chart window. Along the menu bar, locate the item labeled Chart. This menu collects commands that affect the currently selected chart window. Clicking Chart is the most direct path to replay, and it keeps your focus exactly where you need it, on the active chart you're about to review. With the chart menu open, move your mouse to the Replay Chart option. Hovering here is a quick checkpoint. It confirms you're targeting the replay command for the active chart. You may also notice nearby options that relate to replaying multiple charts. It helps to know that Replay Chart is specifically scoped to the current chart, which is ideal when you want to focus on one symbol or one time frame at a time. Now click Replay Chart. This opens the replay controls for the selected chart. A small control panel or window will appear, usually containing fields and buttons associated with start time, playback speed, and navigation. You'll also see basic transport controls such as play and pause. Think of this panel as your timeline controller. It tells Sierra Chart how to traverse historical data and at what pace. Nothing changes about your live connection by simply opening this panel. It's a separate, non-destructive environment for reviewing the past. If the replay controls don't appear where you expect, check the taskbar or behind other windows, as the panel can sometimes open in the background. Also, if the command seems unavailable, it's often because no chart is currently active in the workspace. Ensuring the correct chart is selected helps keep the replay scoped to the right place. That's all there is to it. You've opened Sierra Chart, navigated to the Chart menu, hovered to confirm the Replay Chart command, and clicked to bring up the replay controls for focused historical review. From here, you're set to explore and learn at your own pace.